So now I will teach you how to make a donut squishy clay and large arm. You need a pen. You will need the bottom of the pen in your clay. So yeah. And you will put it into the microwave. Yeah. So you'll put your donut into anything, and using a plate, anything that will survive the microwave. And yeah, so you will only put it into 20 seconds unless your microwave is crappy, and yeah. So I'm done making it, but it's pretty hard, so you will just leave it, and if you want to color it, I'll teach you how to color it actually. You need an eyeshadow pack for this. So right there. I am using clears. So yeah. So I colored my squishy, and it is a bit squishy. It's still hot, even the bottom of the plate is hot, but it is squishy. I can't wait to like squish it, but it's really hot. So yeah. See, it is squishy. So, well, that's all. Okay. So I hope you please leave a video response of how your squishy turned out, only for 20 seconds, or else if you're like 30, it will be like really hard. And if your microwave's crappy, then yeah, you should still like leave it for like 29 seconds. But bye.